Dear friend, welcome back to once again Digital Electronics lecture series. So in this video, we will discuss about the multiplexer. It is also known as a mux. So what is mux? Mux is nothing but it is also one type of combinational circuit. What is combinational circuit? That is already discussed in our previous video. So combinational circuit, it means that its present output depend only on present input. There is no memory element in it. So mux is one type of combinational circuit which have a many data input and single output. And whatever single output it is selected depend on the selection input. So there is a multiple inputs are there and one outputs are there. And whatever the output is selected based on the selection inputs. Multiplexer is also known as a data and selector. It is parallel to serial converter because it has a multiple input and one single output. So it is also many to one circuit. It is also called the universal logic circuit. Means based on use of that multiplexer circuit, we can develop any logic gate. Multiplexer are mainly used to increase amount of the data that can be sent over the network within a certain amount of time and bandwidth. So we can send multiple data on a single bandwidth with a multiple amount, certain amount type. Means that some time is defined and bandwidth is defined, we can transmit the data using the multiplexer over the network. So what is the real-time application of this multiplexer? So this is the real-time example of this multiplexer circuit. So this is the real-time example. So here we have to play the sound of MP3 player, laptop, digital satellite or cable circuit. So here whatever we want to select the input, and based on that whatever sound is generated by this input, that should be sound at that time, this sound surround system. So here mux circuit is used. Here many input means there is 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs are there and one output are there. So based on this selection line, if based on that selection line our input is selected, sound from the MP3, sound from the laptop, sound from the satellite or sound from the cable. So based on that mux circuit, we can select any input from the multiple input circuit. So this is single destination. There is a multiple sources are there. So this is done because of this multiplexer circuit. Now, what is the circuit behind this multiplexer circuit? So to develop any multiplexer circuit, there is a numbers of inputs are there. So numbers of input depend on the 2 raised to n. Means if 2 raised to means if we require the 4 input, then 2 raised to 2 means 4. So based on that n value, so n equal to 2, so 2 selection line is required to select the 4 input. Similarly, if 2 raised to n equal to 1, then there is a 2 input and n equal to 1 means it indicates there is a 1 selection line. So this is 2 input and 1 output. So this is 2 cross 1 mux, and this is 4 input, 1 selection line, then it is called 4 cross 1 mux. So 4 cross 1 mux, there is a 2 selection line is required. So any input line, so for an input line, so there is a, we can say that 2 raised to n input line, 2 raised to n input line and n selection line, and there is always one output line side. So this is the graphical representation of 4 cross 1. This is the block diagram of 4 cross 1 mux. This is S0 and S1 is selection line. So 4 cross 1, 2 selection line are there. So based on that selection line, our input is selected. This is I0, this one is I1, this one is I2, and this one is I3. So 2 selection lines, so 2 raised to 2 means 4 possibility are there, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So when both selection line are 0, 0, then I0 is selected, 0, 1, then I1 is selected, 1, 0, then I2 is selected, and 1, 1, then I3 is selected. So based on that, what is the final Boolean expression for this 4 cross 1 mux circuit? So Y is nothing but When I0, we get the output I0 when S0 and S1 is 0, 0. So S0, S1 dash, S0 dash, S1 dash into I0, I1, S0 dash, S1 into I1, S0, S1 dash into I2, and S0, S1, I3. So this is the Boolean expression of Mux circuit, and its implementation is here. So this is input I0, I1, I2, and I3. So for product S0 dash, S1 dash, and I0. So we get here S0 dash, S1 dash, and I0, S0 dash, S1 and I1 here, and S0, S1 dash, and I2 we get from this AND circuit, and S0, S1, and I3 here and get. So based on that S0 and S1 value, so here we get the S0 value, here we get the S0 dash, here we get the S1 value, here we get the S1 dash. Based on that S0 and S value, and after that all product there is a addition are there. So addition we get from this OR circuit. So this is the combinational circuit, means internally combinational circuit of the 4x1. Now similarly, we can develop this Mux circuit is also called the universal logic circuit. It is called the universal logic circuit. So it means that based on that circuit, we can develop any logic circuit. So this is 2x1 Mux, so 2 input, 1 out, 1 selection line, 1 output. Here also 2x1. Suppose we denote this one is the Mux 1 and this one is the Mux 2. Okay. Now for Mux 1, so Mux 1, Y is the selection line and we get the output. Suppose we assume that output is A. So this is A. So Y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. We get the selection line, select the I0 input and it is nothing but the 1. And when Y0 is equal to 1, then I1 is selected and its output is 0. So here we observe that when input is 0, we get the 1. Input is 1, we get the output 0. So this is nothing but the NOT gate. So it is behave like a NOT gate. So we can develop over here again NOT gate using the universal logic gate circuit. Now this is Mux 2. Now for the Mux 2, the output is F. So output is F and selection line is X. So when X equal to 0, so X equal to 0, Y0 is selected. So Y0 is selected and its output is Y. And X equal to 1, then A is selected, means I1 is selected and its output is A. So this is our final output. So logic expression of the final output F equal to, we get the Y. Why? When we get the Y? When X equal to 0. So X dash into Y. And when X equal to 1, we get the output A. So A. Now A, when we get the output A, so here A, here is 1, here is 0. So it is not required. So this expression is required. So when we get the 1, when Y dash, Y equal to 0 means Y dash. So this is nothing but X dash Y plus X into Y dash. So this is nothing but the Boolean expression of X OR gate. X dash Y, X Y dash. So this is X OR gate. So this is nothing but the combinational circuit or logic circuit which is made from the Mux that behave like a X OR gate. Okay, so by using this Mux circuit, we can develop any other logic gates also, XNOR, NAND gate, NOR gate, AND gate, and OR gate. So because of that, this Mux circuit is you call as a universal logic circuit. Now, let one example which is asked in GATE paper, GATE 2020. This is question asked in GATE paper 2020. So question number 10. The question is that below the source the multiplexer circuit, this is 4x1 Mux circuit. S1 and S0 is selection line. So P and Q are selection line. So here P and Q is selection line. So we get the what is the input of selection line? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay. Now here enable line input is given and here the bubble is there. So enable line is always 1. So based on the selection line, we get the output. Now P and Q are selection line and F is the output. So when P and Q are 0, 0, then I0 is selected. So I0 is selected, its value is R. 0, 1, then I1 is selected. I1 is selected, but its value is 0. 1 0, then I2 is selected, its value is R, and 1 1, then I3 is selected. So now we have to develop the Boolean expression of this F. So F is nothing but R. So when we get the R, P dash and Q dash, so P dash and Q dash into R plus here 0, so it is not required, here R. So when we get the R, P Q bar dash into R. Similarly, plus when we get the 1, when P and Q both are 1. So P and Q and 1. So it is nothing but the PQ. Now, in this expression, Q dash R is common. So Q dash R, and here P dash plus P, and this one is PQ. Now, P dash plus P is nothing but the 1. So Q dash R plus PQ. So this is the answer of this Mach circuit Boolean expression PQ and Q dash R. So PQ and Q dash R. So this is the right option A. So in this way, if you have a knowledge of the Mach circuit, so you can develop, you can solve any example which is related to Mach. So I hope you all are understand. Thank you.